Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, let me show you how you can switch your account on Legends of Mushroom. Make sure you have your progress saved to any social accounts like Facebook, Google, or Apple. So all you have to do is go to your profile, which is located at the top left of your game home screen. After that, click on your profile again. While you are in the Profile tab, click Switch Account. Now that you're in the Switch Account tab, click Login to a different account. It's up to you if you want to log in with Facebook, Google, or Apple. For example, I'll be choosing Facebook, so I will click it. And then by doing this, I can easily switch my Legend of Mushrooms account. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.